Hi, welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Insurance customers should still be proactive by haggling and potentially switching when their policy comes up for renewal, as they could be paying more than necessary despite a loyalty penalty ban having been introduced at the start of this year, according to which the Financial Conduct Authority, or FCA, put the ban in place after finding that millions of home and motor insurance customers were losing out by renewing repeatedly with their existing providers. In January, the FCA implemented new rules which banned car and home insurers from offering different prices to equivalent new and renewing customers. In a survey of more than 14,000, which members the consumer group found that just over half, or 51% of those with home insurance and around 4 in 10, or 43% with car insurance, were paying a higher premium this year than they did last year. The average increase among the seeing a rise was 35 euro for car insurance customers and 41 euro for home insurance customers. Out of those customers paying more than a half were renewing with their current car or home insurer, which also found that those who haggled with their current provider or switch could still make significant savings. When it came to haggling, a quarter, or 25% of those surveyed discussed their price with their insurer this year. And of those who did, around half, or 48%, saw a reduction in their premiums, averaging 56 euro for car insurance and 54 euro for home insurance. Those who instead decided to switch insurers also made significant savings. Car insurance customers who switched were found to be paying 43 euro less on average than those renewing, while home insurance switchers were paying 103 euro less. The researchers also compared premiums paid by customers in the first 6 months of this year, after the ban came into force, with premium paid between May and December 2021. For car insurance policy bought before the end of December 2021, people paid 360 euro on average for cover bought between January and June this year. After the ban came in, the average annual price was slightly less at 343 euro. Home insurance customers typically saw a fall from 332 euro to 329 euro over the same period, but which said that most indicators suggest car insurance prices are now generally back on the rise. This is largely because of increasing claims costs to insurers, caused by factors including higher used car price and more expensive costs and delays in obtaining parts and materials for repairs, which also pointed out that the new loyalty penalty rule still allows insurers to offer customer different prices depending on the channel used. For example, whether they go directly to the insurer or use a comparison site. Insurance quote prices also change from day to day, so it is always worth doing some research before approaching an existing provider or considering making a switch in order to save money, the consumer group added. Generous, which money editor said, with household budget under huge strain at the moment, it's important not to renew your insurance without first checking if you could pay less. Our research shows it's still the case that the price quoted by your insurer is not necessarily the best price you can get. Doing your research on comparison sites, haggling and switching remain effective ways of bringing down the cost of home and car insurance. A spokesperson for the Association of British Insurers, or ABI, said the ABI supports these reforms, having asked the FCA to bring them in across the motor and home insurance markets. Insurers continue to work hard to make sure the transition to the new pricing reforms is as smooth as possible for customers. Like many other sectors, the industry is facing significant cost pressure, such as supply, shortage, more expensive material, and more costly repairs. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.